Okay, so we've got our gems all in our scene here, and the only issue now is that when we make a match like that, the gems just kind of pop into position up here, which doesn't really feel great. It kind of looks a bit weird when they just appeared there. So what we're going to do is make them all slide into position, and we'll also make it so that the gems themselves at the start of the level slide into position, and it makes it just look a bit more fun and feel a bit more alive. And how we're going to do this is actually incredibly simple. So all we're going to do, because we have the system to move our gems into position all by themselves and they go to their assigned position in the board, all we have to do is on the board over here, when we spawn in a gem, where's our spawn gem function up here, we know we have the position we're telling it to spawn to, and all we have to do is add something to the Y position. So we just tell it to spawn in slightly higher than what it is, and then it'll slide down into the position it should be. And the amount that we want it to appear is basically whatever height we have on our board. So here we can just say, when we're instantiating gem to spawn at position X and position Y, we just say position Y plus the height of our board. And that's it. Very, very simple. One little minor change to our code, and it can make a huge big difference to how our game plays to our player. And this is an example of the power of simple changes. Sometimes a little thing can make a big difference. So you can see there straight away they slide into position and it already feels more fun. We drop our new ones in, and then the new gems drop into position nicely. Now functionally, behind the scenes, how the code is dealing with the gems and stuff like that hasn't changed, but immediately just makes it feel that tiny bit more fun.